Hello everyone. Have you ever tasted almonds? They're one of the world's most popular nuts. But have you ever stopped to wonder how they are actually grown? Behind every handful of almonds lies years of patience, careful farming, and an incredible harvesting process that most people have never seen. Today, we're taking you deep into the vast almond orchards to uncover every step of this fascinating journey. Although almonds are grown in several parts of the world, the United States, especially California, and a number of Middle Eastern countries produce the majority of the global supply. These enormous orchards stretch for miles, and every successful harvest begins long before the first almond ever appears on a tree. The planting season usually starts around the middle of February, when young almond trees have the best chance to establish healthy roots and begin producing new buds. During their early growth, protective covers are placed around the seedlings. These simple-looking guards play a crucial role by shielding the young trees from stem-boring insects while also reducing excessive sunlight that could damage the tender plants. Growing almonds is not a quick business. After nearly 2 years, the young trees are finally strong enough for their first major pruning. Farmers usually carry out this process at the beginning of winter, carefully removing unnecessary branches to encourage healthier growth and stronger production in the years ahead. But here's the surprising part. Despite all this hard work, farmers still have to wait. Most almond trees take 3 to 4 years before producing their very first commercial harvest. That means years of investment, maintenance, and care before they earn any return. Another challenge is water. Almond trees require a surprisingly large amount of it to stay healthy. That's why modern orchards rely heavily on drip irrigation systems, which deliver water directly to the roots while minimizing waste. Without this constant supply, maintaining a productive orchard would be nearly impossible. Almond trees are also built for the long run. A healthy tree can continue producing crops for around 25 to 28 years. However, once the trees reach about 20 years of age, their productivity gradually begins to decline, forcing growers to eventually replace older orchards with new ones. One of the most beautiful moments of the season arrives between February and March, when millions of delicate white and pink blossoms cover the trees. At this stage, something extraordinary happens. Millions of honeybees are brought into the orchards to pollinate the flowers, making bees one of the most important partners in almond production. From a distance, these blooming orchards almost look like fields of plum or pear trees because the flowers are remarkably similar. It's a breathtaking sight that lasts only a short time before the blossoms begin transforming into almonds. After flowering, the almonds usually require 5 to 6 months to fully mature, depending on the local climate and weather conditions. During this period, farmers constantly monitor the trees, knowing that one unexpected problem can affect an entire year's harvest. And then comes the moment they've been waiting for. The harvest season finally begins. This powerful machine grips the trunk of each almond tree and shakes it with incredible force, causing thousands of ripe almonds to fall onto the ground within seconds. Watching an entire tree empty itself in moments is something few people ever forget. The harvesting method is surprisingly similar to the way olives and cherries are collected. Once the almonds are on the ground, specialized machines sweep them into neat rows before loading them onto waiting trucks for transport. In several Middle Eastern countries, farmers still follow a more traditional approach. After the almonds fall, they are left under the sun for nearly a week, allowing them to dry naturally before being collected. Large commercial orchards rely on specialized harvesting machines designed to work efficiently through mature almond fields, allowing farmers to gather enormous quantities of almonds in a relatively short period. After harvest, hundreds of tons of almonds begin another important journey. Since processing facilities cannot handle the entire crop at once, the almonds are temporarily stored in large collection areas before being transported to factories. Inside these processing facilities, the almonds go through a series of cleaning, sorting, shelling, quality inspections, and packaging steps before finally reaching stores and consumers around the world. So, what do you think about the incredible process behind growing and harvesting almonds? Did anything surprise you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. vidIQ.